Hello and welcome Mr. Peters and Mr. Harding. My team and I from the Faculty of Agriculture at Cal Polytechnic, including Kendall Ott, LeBron James, and myself, Orestes Sophocleos, have made a report with the feasibility of your company renovating a barn into a wine tasting room. This is what we will be going over today in our presentation, including the introduction, objectives, overall cost, profitability, and our conclusion. Introduction. K. Winery aims to convert a barn into a wine tasting room. This presentation evaluates the feasibility of this renovation. Approximately 1/3 of a winery's sales comes from the tasting room, which is a massive chunk if you ask me. Tasting rooms are mandatory for a successful winery. Fun fact, California produces 90% of America's wine. Our objectives: to research what it takes for a tasting room to become successful, to lay out all items needed for a successful tasting room, to determine costs required for capital needed to renovate an existing barn, to determine labor costs, to analyze financial data to determine if renovating an old barn into a tasting room is feasible, even with changing variables. We will see all of these in the next few slides. Overall cost and breakdown. KDOT's existing capital will fund this project, so there will be no need for loans or anything like that. This total cost will be $751,765.84 USD. The cost is broken down into cost of the room itself, appliances, decorative accents, miscellaneous costs, property taxes, and labor costs. As you can see on the right here, in the breakdown of renovation cost table, it shows you exactly how much you will need for each little thing, including dishwashers, shingles, and anything else that you will need for your. The net present value is positive, meaning the investment is profitable. And as you can see, even with different variables or interest rates as we see here, it will always be positive, meaning your investment will always be profitable. Due to the cost of renovation, the winery will lose money during the first 2 years, but will profit after that. If KDOT Winery is able to sell 13,000 cases per year, they will make $3,120,000 USD that year. In conclusion, my team and I recommend that KDOT Winery goes ahead with the renovation of this barn. Another suggestion is making a wine club that could hold regular meetings at this new tasting room, as this would give your winery a new batch of loyal customers. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and if you have any questions now or in the future, feel free to reach out to us, as we will be happy to answer them.